Hi everyone, this is the 8th video on the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and today's topic is also exponent, roots and radicals. And here we have a nice little problem from the concept of roots and radical. And as I always recommend, before seeing the solution, please pause the video, try to solve it by yourself, and then finally you can match with my solution. So let's get started. So here we have a to the power 3 over 2 times b to the power 5 over 4 times c to the power 9 over 8. And if you look at the answer options here, looks like we have to find a common root for all of these factors like a, b and c. From the answer options we can see that the common root could be 14, could be 17 or 8 or 135 or 8 again, right? So now if you look at the exponents of a, b and c, you see that in their denominator, for a's exponent we have 2 in the denominator, for b's exponent we have 4, and for c's exponent we have 8. Now what is the easiest way to convert them into the same denominator? Well, we can take an LCM of all those three denominators there. So what would be the LCM of 2, 4 and 8? Well, for 2, 4 and 8, the LCM would be 8. If you think about it, 2 divides 8, 4 also divides 8 and 8 also divides 8. So the LCM would be 8. Now we should try and make the denominators 8 for each of the exponents there. So now to make the denominator 8, what do we have to do? Well, if we take, say, suppose 3 over 2 and I want to make it look like something like this, if I have to bring it 8, that means you have to multiply by 4. So you have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 4. So if I simply multiply this by 4, and then over here also in the denominator I'm going to multiply 2 by 4, then this is going to give us a nice little 8 in the denominator, and of course in the numerator we will get 12. So 3 over 2 is actually equivalent to 12 over 8, and similarly if you think about 5 over 4, that will be equivalent to 10 over 8. And what about the 9 over 8? Well, it already has the denominator as 8, so we really don't have to worry about that particular exponent. But for the other two, you have to convert them into their equivalent exponent, which is like 12 over 8 for the exponent of a, and then 10 over 8 for the exponent of b. So now if that is the case, then can we write it as a to the power 12 over 8? And similarly, can we say, okay, then b must be b to the power 10 over 8. So 5 over 4 is equivalent to 10 over 8. And then now if you look at c already has 9 over 8. And now as you can see, for each of the factors, the common exponent is 1/8. So can we write it like this? This must be a to the power 12 whole to the power 1/8 times, for b it would be b to the power 10 whole to the power 1/8 times, we can say c to the power 9 whole to the power 1/8. And then we're going to use a law of exponent that says that if we have a to the power m times b to the power m and also times c to the power m, this can be written as a times b times c whole to the power m. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here. So here I'm going to say, okay, so this must be all of the factors together whole to the power 1/8. So then inside what we get? We get a to the power 12 times b to the power 10 times c to the power 9. So now can we write it like this then? The 1/8 can be written in form of the root with the radical symbol. So we can say, okay, this must be the 8th root of this product here, which is a to the power 12 times b to the power 10 times c to the power 9. And now let's look at the answer options here. So definitely it is looking like one of the options of h or k, and if you carefully look at it, it's actually the option k. So that's our correct option. It is the 8th root of a to the power 12, b to the power 10 and c to the power 9. I hope it made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.